Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a mermaid unicorn. So let's get started. To draw this magical mermicorn, let's first start by drawing the snout on the unicorn. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to start with a slight curve outwards. And then I'm going to bring it down more. And then about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and round it off for the snout and bring it in. So that's the basic shape you want to start off with. Just a soft little curve and then round it off, bring it in. So now that we're about the same area, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve in. Just elongate that part. And then from there, let's come back to where we started. And in this area right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle for our eye. And since it's not that big, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle up here for a highlight and shade everything else in. So I won't be making them draw so cute eyes. Just a regular eye. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve over the eye. And then in this area right here where it curves, I'm just going to draw a little oval for a snout. And if you like, you can come about right here and draw a smile. There. Okay, so we have that built in. Now we can go ahead and draw everything else around it. So let's say about right here, we're just imagining the head. I'll come about right here and I'll draw an ear. So just your basic unicorn ear. And then come in here for the inside. And then from this point right here, I'm going to go ahead and come down right back to where we started and come up. And so we just want to draw the first strand for our mane. And then in this area right here is where I'm going to put the horn. So say about right here. Since it's easier for my hand, I'm going to go from the top down. And I'll just go ahead and angle this horn in here. And I'll come in and just draw some curves to give it some dimension and detail. And then from there, let's just come back up here. And I'll just add another strand just to fill it in. There. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this up a little bit more. And about right in this area here, I'll go ahead and draw a curve for the neck. So now we're going to start to build the mane on the back. So I'll come right where the ears are again. And I'll just start with my first strand. Come back up here. So just draw this part however you like. I'm just trying to fill in this back spot right here. So I'll come out again. So as you draw, if you need to fill it in more, go ahead, wherever you feel like there needs to be more strands. So one there. Let's keep going. Let's make this extra. Another one here. And let's see. Okay, we'll save it for later. Let's come back to here. So drawing the chest part, so we're going to pop it out a little bit. And about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw the front legs. So right here, I'm going to curve out and then come down. And say about right here, go ahead and curve out again and in. And then right here, just go ahead and connect it. And I'll add a curve right here for a hoof. So we have our first front leg in, and then the back one right here, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it in right here. So once again, same thing. And a hoof. There. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down. So we're just imagining this coming through, and about right here, I'll pop it down. And we're just going to draw this shape that kind of curves out this way. So just keep that in mind. So make it nice and thick. So about right here, I'll go ahead and draw another strand. So I need something over here. And I'll pop it out. There. Okay, so then about right here is where I'll pop out the other side. And we're starting to build the tail. So let's bring this down. And bring this down. So we're just following. And we're going to get thinner and thinner as we come down. So about right here. I'll curve it in that way and I'll follow. And get thinner as we come all the way back. And then from right here, go ahead, I'll just cap it off and then draw the tail. So it'll come out nice and long. Same thing over here. And then I'll bring it right back to the center. About right there. And connect. And then you can come in here just for some details. Just put it right back into the center. And then we'll draw some strands. You can do this when you're coloring, or you can just do this now so that all your colors have an outline. So I'll just come in here and just draw some strands to give it some detail. There. Okay. So this one's a little bit there, better. Okay, so then from there, let's see here. Let's come back up here and let's do some separation on where the unicorn meets the mermaid. So about in this area right here, I'll go ahead and separate it with a bunch of curves. They're supposed to look like scales. So I'll do that all the way down, and as I come down, I'm going to kind of change the angle of my curve. So about right here, I'll start to go more towards this angle. And I'm just changing my angle as I come down. There. So just remember just to change of your angle so that it flows with the tail. And that is pretty much it for the Mermicorn here. And let's add some bubbles here and there. So we know this Mermicorn or Mercorn, however you want to call this, mermaid unicorn, is in the water. So here and there, just add some bubbles. Maybe that's enough, right? And of course I have to add a heart, and I don't really know where I should, because you know what, let's just pop it in right here. And I just realized I forgot to add a strand right here just to break up the space. There. And that is pretty much it for this mermaid unicorn, and I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to draw along with me and that you'll give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.